No more stuck in this groove, I'm feeling bored. Ready, steady, go.
but your voice got really cutting in between.
Okay, but I'm audible.
Yeah. Hi, sir. I'm Palak, and that is Ahana, and we will be the co-hosts for the session.
Analytics 2026, organized by the Consulting and Analytics Club, IIT Guwahati. Also, the registration link is available in the description, so if you haven't registered yet, make sure to check it out.
Hello, everyone. I am Falak Baveja, and we will be your co-hosts for the today's session. We are thrilled to have all of you here. Summer Analytics continues to bring together thousands of learners from across the country to explore the fascinating worlds of data science, analytics, machine learning, and AI.
Today, we are extremely excited to introduce a brand new initiative that we are launching this year, the Build in Public track. This initiative is designed to help you go beyond simply consuming content and sharing your learning and start sharing your learning journey with a wider tech community. Building in public helps you reinforce concepts, document your progress, and create a visible proof of your skills and growth over time.
This isn't just an extra lecture. It's a specialized personal growth session that is designed entirely for your benefit. We will show you the exact psychology behind why top designers and engineers they build in public. They teach you how to write high impact technical threads from scratch. And it'll show you how to turn your daily learnings into a powerful career magnet. Whether it's a concept you've learned, an interesting insight from a blog, or a project you've been working on, sharing your journey can significantly accelerate your learning and help you build a strong professional presence. We'll hear much more about why this matters from our speaker shortly.
To help you build this momentum easily, we'll have added a completely new section to our course dashboard. What is new in ML and AI? So it includes, firstly, daily technical blogs, where we won't just leave you with theoretical math. Every single day, we will drop cutting edge microblogs and explainers connecting what you learn in the weekly course content to a real world production engineering. And secondly, curated starter lists. Twice a week, we will share a list of ex industry professionals and elite AI practitioners you should follow to start curating a high signal tech feed.
So, how to participate in this? The steps include firstly, setting up your profile. You create a clean X profile with a professional photo and a bio. Second, you submit the verification form. We share your X handle through that form, and that will be released officially to join the Build in Public track. Now, the link for it will be shared after the session ends. Third, post your learnings. Share insights from the summer analytics course or the new AIML blogs. We'll also be providing templates to make posting that is quick and easy. Fourth, you engage with the community. You follow fellow participants, you interact with their posts, and you be a part of the collaborative learning network. And lastly, you use a very required hashtag. Every post must include hashtag Summer Analytics 2026, and it should mention at the rate CNAITG so we can track participation.
Just 1 second, I guess. Am I still on?
Yes, Ahana.
Just a moment. Okay. Um, Now it's time to introduce our speaker for today's session. We are delighted to welcome Mr. Pavan Venkatesh, a full stack developer and founder of Shivan. With over 4 years of experience building and scaling web platforms, he currently serves as a project lead at Lumos Learning, where he works on developing and managing learning platforms on AWS infrastructure.
Sir is also the founder of Shivan, which is a web development company that helps students gain real world experience through live projects and internships. He has built products like Resume AI and Hire AI. And for the past 6 months, he has been actively building in public through his Instagram page, which is @shivan.prime, which we'll be putting in the chat for soon. So we should just check it out. Documenting his entire entrepreneurial journey from scratch with nothing but skills and consistency. With expertise in React, Node.js, AWS, Docker, DevOps, Python, and Fast API, you name it. We are excited to hear his insights on building in public. Please join us in welcoming Mr. Pavan Venkatesh. And with that, I would like to pass on the floor to Mr. Pavan.
Thank you, Palak and Hannah, and the entire consulting and analytic club team for this incredible introduction. And good evening, everyone. I can see a lot of people are joining in YouTube to watch this live. And from start, my name is Pavan Venkatesh, and I am a founder of a company called Shiva. I'm not successful story, but still I'm not it. But it's a 27-year-old in the middle of doing something from scratch, and everything is going to be shared to this evening. And this something that living right now is not something which was achieved 5 years ago, and now I'm packaging into a talk. So quickly, can I share the screen like for PPT? I hope you guys are able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So. Building in public, it's how you show your skills and your technical knowledge or anything it may be to the public and your confidence to everyone. Hmm. Before, let me give a clear picture of myself. I've been a developer for 4+ years and currently work as a project lead in Lumos Learning, a tech company in Bangalore, where I build and manage web platforms in AWS, and my stack is React, Node.js, AWS, Docker, and Python. The full backend and the front end part. Outside of my job, I run Shivan, my own company, we do web development for clients, and we run in the training programs of our college students, and we build our own products. I built a Shiva Resume AI, an AI powered resume builder, and I'm in the process of building an hire AI, the internal hiring assessment platform. So basically, without any investment or no funding, I'm building from scratch and with nothing but skills and stubbornness. Before I go, I get to frameworks and tactics. I want to show you one thing. Look at the slides. This is not a quote from a famous person, or this is not a right. This was written by myself. For a long time, I was building this privately, learning privately, growing privately because I was terrified of what people would think. And if I post something and nobody responds? What if my share projects and someone is says it's bad and if I fail publicly? So I stayed quiet and nothing was happening. No opportunities, no connections, no clients, and no growth at all. Just pure silence, and I was very frustrated. The day I stopped off being afraid is the day I got my motivations up and I become a little bit successful within myself. And this is not a big audience. I didn't get a big response for anyone. This is just a pure what everything started moving from my side for becoming building in public. So what exactly is building in public? Simple definition, you share your work as you build it. The wins, the failures, the confusion, the off finished projects, and the lessons learned, all of it openly on internet. And I want to be very clear about what it is not, because most of the people have a wrong picture. It is not waiting for until you become successful to start sharing. It is not showing your only of your wins, and it is not only having 10,000 followers first, and later on I can share something. And it is not about polishing or being professional also. The big trap engineers fall into is this. I will still start sharing when I have something worth sharing, because everyone has something. You already have something worth sharing. Your learning process is the content. The confusion is the content. The fact that you're sitting in the summer analytics right now, figuring out about ML or AI, the journey documenting publicly is exactly what thousands of other students need to see. Start before you are ready. Document before you are done. Let me show you my actual journey because it will make you feel better about starting. In the first phase, I started posting my web dev tutorials on Instagram, step by step, coding content, clean graphics, useful information, hundreds of views, and just hundreds, not thousands or anything, just hundreds or 150 views. I almost with zero followers, I felt invisible. Then when I talk about quitting. In the phase two, I got frustrated with the tutorials, and I started doing my bike vlogs, riding through around the Bangalore with a helmet on, no script or no plans, not even educational content also. Just me, my bike, and music. One video even got around 18 to 20 thousand views. Why? Because people saw a human being with a life, not a machine pumping out information. They saw personality. In the phase three, I started talking about real feelings. Uh, won't give up. Keep going. Honest motivation from someone actually struggling, not someone who already have made it. In the phase four, right now, I've built a Shivan publicly, uh, but not much clients. I didn't get much clients or views from any of the restaurants. But right now, I'm here with this live session with IIT Guwahati. Uh, this is the change which I was posting in public means. Now, let me ask you all honestly. Put a drop in yes in the chat, comment section. How many of you are currently building something, or like it may be a project, a model, or a side hustle, or anything? For any responses in the chat or comments.
Yes, I am going to the chat. I'm pretty sure they'll be coming in a while. But me myself, I
Okay,
was building a facial emotion recognition project a while ago with a friend of mine.
okay.
So I think here at college we all are kind of always building and working.
But okay. Now you said you are building something. Are you documenting your journey, how you are doing, how you are struggling with your project or debugging your codes? So how you are not documenting it. Then how will the public know what you are struggling or what they can expect of this outcome? Not even like public. If someone is hiring, they will be seeing your video means they know exactly what you are going through, and you maybe get hired with a good income also. Maybe you can sell your product too. So that is the
Correct.
main reason we should be building in public. We should post at least 2 days once we can post it. We can't post daily because we have so many lot of things. We can post 2 days once or at least 3 days once. So we can be recognized by others and they can know they are posting something, they are building something, and they are doing something. So in the initially, I was also in the same phase as you guys. I was very much embarrassed to be showing my face to public and showing my failures to everyone. It will be after a few times I posting something, I'm got a hang of it. Now I can post anything because it is my face, my Instagram account or LinkedIn account. No one's going to judge you. So let me okay, uh, okay. Let's get practical. Since you all are executing this Twitter or X specifically. Let me walk you through exactly how to set up your profile and maximize the impact. First, you know, just a minute. I forgot to change the slide. Okay. Yeah. First, start posting web dev tutorials. Yeah. Okay. Since you all have been first, your bio and most people write their bio like a resume, like a lengthy paragraphs. No one should be doing that one because it will make people this is something we don't need it, and we need to be writing what you are building and what we are going to do and how we are going to do. Like simple, if it was mine, I would be saying building Shivan from zero, full stack web developer, plus founder, sharing everything from I learn. This is as simple as it is. I am saying what is my role, my work, and documenting the journey. Simple. That bio tells someone in 5 seconds what you built, what you are, and why you are followed. Why they want to follow you. Second is profile picture. Second is profile picture. It should be very professional. And as I have seen many of them, I used to put their selfies in some places or some random pictures around their places. We should be like a professional of pictures. And third, the header image, the current project name or one line of what you are building. Make it visual or make it clear. The fourth one is you should be tweeting like 2 days once or 3 days once. It is common for all the platforms, not only in Twitter. It is common for Instagram, YouTube, or any platform. It should be like almost a professional in everything, and it should be like a posting every 2 days. Fifth, who you follow first. Don't start by posting. Just posting doesn't get you anything. You need to find at least 10 to 15 other builders in your space. So, if you consider me, I am a developer and I am also founder. So, if I want to follow or do something, I need to follow the fellow who is already building out build something in the same perspective of mine. Then I would get a reach, or he can help me, or the same people who follows him will see my posts and even follow my posts and profile. Now the actual content framework, 4 steps. Step one, do the things, build things, learn things, and ship things. You can't document what you haven't done, any projects you haven't done. You should take the action first. Step two, document it raw. Write it down anywhere or a piece of paper. Just take a piece of paper or write it down. If you don't, nowadays, piece of paper is too much costly. So you can take your phones and type it in your notepads or any chat. And step three, share with the context. This step is everyone's step because they don't say like I built X. They say we should be saying like I try to build an X. This specific thing gone wrong. Here's what I learned from it, and what I am doing right now. This gives them a full story, arc, and problem, then result, and next step. And step four, repeat the first 3 steps 3 times a week and minimum 3 times because it will be more engaging with the public. No, and it should not be a similar one. It should be different. Okay. Yeah. Just a minute. Yeah. For for if you ask for Twitter specifically, but threads you are the most powerful content format. Let me give you the exact formula I use. Like tweet one is your hook. Everything. This is what everything your profile does. If the hook doesn't make them need to read more, then they scroll past. Example: I spent 3 weeks of building a machine learning model and completely failed. Here's what I learned, and that no tutorial teaches. That hook was a curiosity, but related and promise because I spent 3 weeks building machine learning model means they have some curiosity like what they have built or something. And creates like these building curiosity brings the people to not to scroll your post or anything. The whole trend takes 20 minutes to write and do one per week. That's entire Twitter content strategy. Once or twice a week is a Twitter strategy I use in the daily basis. Okay. Let me give you something very concrete before we get to question session. Uh, this evening, before you go to sleep, you need to post a first building in public quick. Not tomorrow, not some day after, or doing something which is more intense to other people to interact. Just after this session, just go to your like Instagram or Twitter, just post your content. It can be one sentence, like I'm starting building something X publicly after part of Summer Analytics 2026. Day one, my goal is Y. Follow to watch. That's it. Done. The first post is always the hardest. After that, it gets very easier. This week, try three posts, at least two posts. Basically, three is a better one. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So, what you are working on, what you learned, and where you are right now in your project will matters most. This month, documents, if you fail once, one thing that went wrong would be you didn't try at all. Because you need to showcase your skills in public. Then only you will get to know how you need to build and how people judge you and who will be like being next to you after all the posts and embarrassment. Uh, you need to face those embarrassments. Otherwise, we know we will be like stage fears or all sort of things will be like in that one package. So by this, I want to end exactly where we started. I was afraid of what people would think, so I stayed quiet and nothing happened. The day I stopped being afraid of failure, everything started. That day for me was a random evening when I just decided to post something. No plan, no audience, no guarantee of anything. Just face it. 6 months later, I'm taking to IIT Guwahati. Your moment can be the same. After this call ends, open your Twitter or Instagram, just post one sentence and like, tag us. We'll be glad to know who is following these things. Like face it, build it, share it. Thank you so much, IIT Guwahati. Thank you, Nalin, Salak, and Hana. And lots of thanks for consulting and the IIT Club. It was a genuine privilege. I'm happy to take any questions now.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your journey and your insights with us. That was incredibly informative and inspiring.
We hope everyone found the session valuable and now has a much clearer understanding of how building in public can accelerate learning, create opportunities, and help establish a professional identity in the tech ecosystem.
We will now move into the Q&A segment of today's session. The room is officially open for questions, and please drop your questions in the chat. We'll take as many as possible over the next 15 minutes.
Feel free to ask about building in public, personal branding, entrepreneurship, web development, internships, or anything related to Mr. Pavan's journey. Let's get started with the questions.
So first, I can see Tejas Khanna has a doubt for you, sir. Many students hesitate to post online because they feel they are not experts yet. What should be said to someone who is just starting out, and what should be their first post be?
The first post should be their introduction. That will be the greatest start as they introduce themselves. Even as a student, it will be great. What they are building or what they are going to start with will be a good post, and they don't need much of equipment. Just one mobile and with a fully working camera. It's enough to post one post.
Great answer, sir.
Then we have a question like many students, hesitate to post online because like they feel they're not experts yet. So, what would you say to someone who's just starting out?
No one is expert in the initial time. Even if you take it as even for me, it was not a easy task. In the initial time, everyone used to like think it is a rocket science, we can't do it. But once you step inside and learn the basics, you will be getting to know everything about it. Just like computer science. If you know the DSA, we all get to know the complete programming language.
Okay, so thank you for that.
Um, Next, sir, as someone who has built products like Resume AI and Hire AI, how do you usually identify problems worth solving?
Sorry, I didn't get you. Can you repeat your question?
As somebody who has built Resume AI and Hire AI, how do
Okay.
you identify the problems that are worth solving?
Uh, I identify as recently we are facing some ChatGPT users because in the interviews most of the time people use ChatGPT or Claude to answer anything or even I built a resume AI by thinking in the context of students because I when I was a student I was I need to apply to many companies. I need to change every time. It was very difficult. I need to change the resume and I need to upload it. Instead of it, I like right now I'm trying to solve that one because if you give the basic information what you know, like I can change everything with using AI itself. That is the one solving a problem when I have it.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now, next question is, being a second year BE student, what is the right time to start internships and what projects should we be working on? And how should we maintain our LinkedIn profile?
Being second year student. Yeah, this will be your good time to start your projects or project works or LinkedIn posts because by the final year posting by 2 days once it will take you to the long way of projects and LinkedIn posts where you get connections and you can be hired also. Like the projects you need to work in the current trend will be machine learning and AI and personally, I suggest to learn how to build a machine learning by yourself in the local systems because many people don't know how to take it to online. But when you learn how to build it in your local systems, you can take it to online anytime.
Got it, sir. Moving on, I would like to say I am not sure of what platform to post on, which is relevant to which aspect. Is there something to keep in mind?
If you are posting about a technical, any technical coding languages or giving some information to other fellow students, it will be LinkedIn will be the best platform. Or if you want to showcase your journey, then I suggest Twitter and Instagram, and even LinkedIn will be the best. But most of the time, LinkedIn will be the best to get you noticed in the tech field.
Yes, sir. Next question is, recently I graduated. Presently, what is best for me to do? An internship or prepare for a job?
Uh, I suggest internship will be the best because in the internship you can learn more things or what your seniors or any you get to know what you can do and what you can't. In that phase, you can decide which role or profession will be best suited for you.
So the next question is, what are the most important programming languages for beginners?
This one is a tricky one because uh, people say Python is very much easy and it can be learned from anyone. But I personally suggest Java will be the good one because Python can do many things and is doing presently everyone are using Python. But fundamentals and learning is Java. Java is a good one.
So
Then there's just one more question. What are some common mistakes people make when they start building in public?
Okay. The common mistakes are when people start building in public, they think they need to start when they have much followers or they have completed the work and they need to showcase to public. That doesn't work out because building in public means they need to showcase each and every step of building their product or their journey. So it can be like a lesson for others. That will be the good one.
okay, sir, thank you so much. That concludes our Q&A session. Further on, we would like to introduce the incentives that come with our program. So Ahana can take over.
Okay. Stop
Uh,
sharing.
so, like to keep things fun and reward consistency, we are dropping some serious performance linked rewards on a weekly baseline. First, there'll be prizes worth 10K every week. We are giving out cash prizes and exclusive rewards worth rupees 10,000 every single week for the top performers who show the best engagement and depth. The network engagement bonus. If you drop a thoughtful comment on an expert's post from our weekly starter list and they reply back to your insight, you instantly unlock a massive bonus credit on the weekly leaderboard.
Yes, and I'd like to highlight that there are some excellent incentives and cash prizes available. So, guys, do participate and take advantage of those exciting opportunities. Considering this is the right moment for it, I'd like to reiterate that we have great AIML blogs coming into our course structure and our dashboard. There are daily technical blogs that will be included, and there will be curated starter lists as well. So, do check that out. And it's really exciting platform. So, let's take advantage of that.
Thank you so much, sir, for such an insightful and inspiring session. Your journey, experiences, and practical advice on building in public has given our audience a lot to learn from and apply in their own careers.
Once again, a huge thank you to Mr. Pavan for joining us today. We hope everyone enjoyed the session and found it valuable. Also, for those who haven't registered yet, the Summer Analytics 2026 registration link is available in the description below. So make sure to check it out. And thank you everyone for joining us. We will see you in the next session. Also, I would like to add that the form, the verification form, will be shared on mail with everybody.